Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to swatch out the polishes I picked up on the last Zoya haul I did. I actually haven't shown these on my channel. I've shown two of them in manicures, but I haven't done a haul or anything, to show you guys what these colors look like. So I thought I would real quick go ahead and swatch these out. I am going to cut this and do a voiceover, because I've got 19 polishes to swatch. So I've got my little swatch wheel ready, and we're just going to hop right on into it. I will pop the names up on the screen as we go through them to make this kind of roll through a little faster. First up is SALDANA, and it's a buildable cotton candy blue iridescent hollow topper. And next we've got HARPER. It's a cotton candy pink with spun gold shimmer. It's got those liquid metal holographics in it. And this is KAEDE, and it can be best described as a gold metallic fleck with holographic foil. And then CELI is a sweet cherry red with gold micro shimmer. STASSI is a citron green with gold metallic glaze and holographic finish. ALMA, warm golden peach metallic, and it's got that jelly formula. And then LEILANI is a glistening pink grapefruit with gold micro shimmer. Next we've got Fisher, and this is a cool one. It's a sun-kissed seafoam with stunning gold micro shimmer. Oh, and I know you can't see it on film just yet, but it's gorgeous. JETT is described as having a frosted silver with flaky texture and dries down matte. And it's a little funky. JESY is a full coverage fiery coral orange metallic hollow, and it's got that jelly formula. Next is Dallas, and it's having a clear base with silver glitter, large white hexagonal glitter, and small white glitter running throughout it. I loved this one. And then next we've got BINX, and it's a spicy orchid purple. Oh, I love it. It's got that hollow sparkle. Jelly. BRIGHTON was a favorite of mine, and it's a full coverage diamond holographic soft nude. And then we've got Everly, and we must have missed CORINNA. Everly here is a full coverage diamond holographic fuchsia red. STEPH is a muted winter pink cream with a warm undertone. I love it. Smooth and lovely. CADENCE is a diamond holographic classic pink. And then we have MUSE, and MUSE is a blue raspberry holographic fizz, and it's got a vein of gold in it. And finally we have ECLIPSE, and it's described as a glistening silver with holographic rainbow sparkles. And then we're going to head back into the first ones. I don't know what happened to CORINNA. I might have just been talking over her. We'll get to her when she comes back around again. I'll give you all her description. And I'm telling you, these are just stunning. Now that first one, SALDANA, could be used on its own or as a topper. HARPER here is totally, a full coverage nail polish. And this one, KAEDE, I would probably wear it as a topper or sponge and own for like a accent nail full coverage. Look at that. And CELI. Oh my. This one is like fire on the nails. I mean, so pretty. Look at that. And then STASSI. And I like these jellies. I got quite a few of them this time with those holographic iridescent glitters in them, and I like them. ALMA, another one that's kind of like a jelly finish, and I don't know what it was, but when you go shopping sometimes you kind of lean towards one thing, and my one thing wasn't a color this time, it was more of a finish. And y'all know this LEILANI is singing my praises names. I mean, And this one is just one of those delicate, pretty polishes that you could wear anywhere for any time, any occasion. Very pretty. Love that shimmer. Now, JETT, I'm still on the fence. Until I wear this one on my nails, I'm not going to know how I really feel about it. I would definitely wear top coat. Ugh, can be doing that chunky stuff. JESY. Another one of those jellies filled with those hollows. I love it. Look how pretty. Dallas was a surprise favorite of mine. I really, really like that. I don't know what about it so unusual for me, but it was. And then BINX. Look how pretty on that second coat. And then BRIGHTON. This one, the camera doesn't do it justice. It's so crazy pretty. Look at that. And then now we're back to CORINNA. It's a naked blush with a kiss of golden sheen. Very, very nice. Very pretty. And there's Everly again. This one will be great for the fall or winter, or just any old time you want to rock some hollow. And STEPH is stunning. I love Zoya creams. I'm always drawn to buy the other stuff, but I did try to squeeze in a couple of creams. It's just classic. And then CADENCE, some more hollow goodness. But I hope y'all are enjoying the swatches. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite one was. And if you have any of these, look at that MUSE. Looks like ocean. And it's got those hollows in it. Lovin', lovin'. And then finally, ECLIPSE. Such a pretty one. I'd wear that as a topper for sure. So, like I said, leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.